Hello, how are you? I hope it's okay. Well, as you can see, today we will be talking a little about animals. In more detail about threatened animals, extinction risks, vultures, tricks, and why I love vultures. Next, I will be talking about the aforementioned topics so that you learn a little about the reality in which we live and I have broader knowledge. Okay, so I'll start by talking to you about the first topic, which is animals under threat. Okay, in the world we can observe through many people the problem that animals have with the fact of being in constant threat. At first, photographers manifesting the danger of extinctions in amphibians, and then investigations they realized that there were also mammals, reptiles, birds, fish, insects with this great problem. We know that there can be many causes why animals are going through these horrible situations, and the reasons can be tremendously particular for each species, but in general, among the greatest threats is the destructions of their habitats, climate change, illegal hunting and trafficking, and the introductions of exotic species. It has not been an easy task to avoid these events. This involves a lot of work and a lot of resource and actions together. In any case, today we can see in the news that he continues to work so that little by little they are in less dangers. Okay, so we then continue with the risks of extinctions. Well, as we already know, for the most part, human actions have a significant impact on the risks of extinctions in animals. Therefore, some of the animals that live near the activity human beings are already extinct or in danger of extinction. Also, the abusive of unsustainable use of natural resource not only damage the health of the planet but also devastates entire species and makes them disappear forever. So the risks of extinctions are so many that we also see in news every day, and we know such a serious situation that all the animals go through, which they study every day to help request their species. Okay, now a topic that caught my attention because of its history and is vultures in danger, which began when conservationists began to worry about the loss of their 11 species of vultures and another 7 are in danger of extinction. It was identified that in some rural communities it is common for herders to lose cows and other animals to predators. When a lion attacks and kills a cow, farmers often put poison on the carcass of the cow. This kills the lion when it returns to feeding, However, vultures also die from the poison when they feed on a poisoned carcass. Researchers believe this may be the cause of more than 60% of vulture deaths in Africa, situations that is intended to be solved, focusing directly on the problem as such to approach it and thus be able to save these great scavengers. Now, we will talk about sometimes that I like very much as soon as I saw why I love Vultures. Well, in class, the teacher showed us an intervention that the biologist Munir Birani had, who doesn't want people to think of vultures as greedy or ugly creatures. Instead, you want people to understand the ecological service they provide. His idea worth spreading it is that vultures are vital to the environment and human health, and they deserve to be protected. Thing that ends up reaching us all, we feel in our hearts. The biologist who expresses so much emotion and passion for animals that he transmits all the feeling he feels to his audience, and therefore the same love for vultures. At the end of the day, these are the ones who, as scavengers, clean our field of dead animals, so and corpses, thus helping to maintain a certain hygiene to which we must be grateful and see with better eyes, with the same ones with which it arrives to see Munir Birani. Okay, that is my presentation of the class summary. I hope you like it a lot and also hope that you continue to want to protect these beautiful beings. So, thank you for your attention. Bye.